Hi guys, so today we will write a C program to get the addition of two numbers without using the plus operator. That is the addition operator. So first of all, let us set the file path over here only and addition without operator and save as type dot c is by default. Okay, now let us save this and let us proceed ahead. Okay, now first of all, let us write the command that it is a C program to add numbers without plus operator. Okay, so let me just make it larger. Okay, so C program to add numbers without plus operator means that is addition operator. So for this I will first of all have the stdio.h by using the hash include stdio.h, and in the void main we will declare three variables a, b and I. A for the number 1 and b for the number 2, and we have to get the addition of both of these, but we can't use the addition operator. So what I will do is in a for loop from I equals to 1 till the I less than equal to b, the a will be incremented by 1 in each iteration. So let us proceed. So int a comma b comma I. Okay, so a for a and b for number and I for loop. Okay, and I for loop because we can't use addition operator, and by using the for loop, or you can use any iteration, like you can use while loop or do while loop as per your preferences or convenience. Okay, so first of all I have to give the user instruction like enter first number, and after this I will use the scanf to get the input in the variable a, and for that I will pass the address of a by using the and a. Okay, so let us copy paste this whole thing and we will give the instruction to the user like enter the second number, enter second number, and in scanf I will write b over there because we have to input the second number in another variable. Okay, if we used a over there too, then it would be overwritten. So now what we have to do is, now we have to increment number 1 by 1 at each iteration till number 2. Okay, to have the addition value. So we will make this comment. Now we have to increment number 1 by 1 at each iteration till number 2 to have the addition value. So I will make this a multi-line comment over here. So star and slash. I will update over here too. So before now I have to change that single line comment to multi-line comment. Okay, now we will start the for loop. First of all I will initialize the I as 1 and I will give the condition as I less than equal to b, means till the number 2 is reached, and I plus plus means it is incremented in each iteration. So a plus plus means the number 1, that is the a only, so a plus plus. Now the sum value is stored in the variable a only, so printf summation of numbers without using the plus operator, or you can say addition operator, equals to %d, and for %d I will give the value of a variable. So summation of numbers without using the plus addition operator, so addition operator equals to %d, so that in place of %d the value of the variable a would be printed on the screen and the user would be able to see the summation on the output. Okay, so we got the numbers in a and b, and we got the addition by using the for loop, and we stored the summation in a only. So let us build this and run it. Okay, so no errors. Let us enter 20 and 5. So summation is 25. Okay, so over here we got the output as summation of numbers without plus addition operator equals to 25. Now let us run it again. So let us enter 72 and 18. So 72, 18. Okay, so summation is 90. We got the summation right after the input. So let us change that, and we will write slash n over here so that uh, this output would be printed after like 2 lines, because we have used 2/n, and in the end also the time required would be printed after 2 lines because we used /n/n afterwards. So let us enter some numbers. Okay, so we got the output over here, and as you can see there are 2 lines left vacant before and after the output. So without using the plus operator, we just use the for loop and got the addition. So thank you guys for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Also comment down below if you are having doubts or you want me to make a video on a particular program or a topic. And if you want to access complete video series on a particular program, then go to my playlist section. I have made them very beginner friendly, so if you are a non-coder, then also you can watch those and learn the programming language. So see you all in the next video. Bye bye.